Who among us hasn't dreamed of escaping the ordinary, of finding a hidden gem where time slows down and every view is a masterpiece? Why do we yearn for places that spark our imagination, places that whisper tales of grandeur and natural beauty? Today, we invite you to uncover such a place, a region so enchanting, it even inspired a beloved condiment. Forget the salad dressing for a moment, because the Thousand Islands region, straddling the US-Canada border along the majestic St. Lawrence River, is far more captivating than any culinary creation. Here, an archipelago of over 1,800 islands awaits, each with its own story, its own unique charm. From palatial estates to islands barely big enough for a single hammock, this is a world where fantasy meets reality. Imagine a stretch of river, 50 miles long, where North America's great waterway emerges from Lake Ontario, giving birth to this extraordinary landscape. These aren't just any islands. To earn their place among the 1,864, each piece of land must rise above the water year-round and support at least 2 living trees. It's a testament to nature's precise artistry. From sprawling landmasses exceeding 40 square miles, like Wolfe Island, to the incredibly intimate Just Room Enough Island, which truly lives up to its name with just a house and a tree, the diversity here is astounding. It's a place where every glance out the window offers a new, breathtaking vista, each island a unique jewel in this aquatic crown. The Thousand Islands region is an invitation to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to immerse yourself in unhurried exploration. Picture yourself paddling through serene coves, the only sound the gentle dip of your oar, the water so clear you can see the smooth, colorful stones beneath. It's a sanctuary for the soul, a place where tranquility reigns supreme. Boat tours are the quintessential way to experience this region, gliding past grand estates and historic lighthouses, each with a story etched into its very foundations. You'll find yourself transported to a different era as you approach marvels like Singer Castle, a dramatic fortress emerging from the mists of history, ready to unveil its secrets. Stepping inside these castles is like stepping into a living storybook. Imagine the lavish lives led within these walls, the secrets whispered in dimly lit corridors, the dreams forged in grand halls. Each stone, each artifact, tells a tale of ambition, romance, and the golden age of the Gilded Era. Beyond the castles, historic lighthouses pierce the horizon, stoic guardians of the St. Lawrence. These beacons of light have guided countless sailors through these intricate waterways, their timeless presence a reminder of both adventure and safe passage. They stand as enduring symbols of the region's rich maritime heritage. And for the connoisseur, a delightful secret awaits. A unique microclimate here nurtures local winemakers, who craft award-winning wines that are truly a taste of this extraordinary terroir. Picture yourself sipping a crisp white or a rich red, gazing out at the very landscape that helped create its exquisite flavor. Sound, gentle clinking of wine glasses, soft ambient music. Now, about that famous dressing. Legend has it that a local fishing guide's wife first concocted this creamy delight for her dinner guests, including the renowned actress May Irwin. She adored it so much, she begged for the recipe, and the rest, as they say, is delicious history, forever linking this culinary classic to this stunning region. Geologically, this is where ancient forces converged, where a branch of the Canadian Shield, known as the Thousand Islands, Frontenac Arch, dips south to meet the Adirondacks. It's a testament to Earth's immense power, a region so significant it was designated a UNESCO World Biosphere Reserve in 2002. You're walking on millions of years of history. While Kingston, Ontario, marks the vibrant western end with its bustling metropolitan charm, the American side along the river offers a more serene, intimate experience. From lively cityscapes to quiet, picturesque villages, the region perfectly balances vibrant culture with tranquil natural beauty, offering something for every pace of life. Though some communities swell with life and energy during the glorious summer months, transforming into lively hubs of activity, the islands retain their allure year-round. Imagine the quiet majesty of autumn's fiery embrace or the hushed beauty of a winter wonderland, each season painting the landscape in a new, breathtaking palette. Beyond the well-trodden paths lie islands with intriguing tales. The ruined Fort Haldimand on Carlton Island, a ghost of revolutionary conflicts, the secretive Deer Island, owned by the infamous Skull and Bones Society, and the charmingly mislabeled Zavakan Island, famed for its shortest international bridge, a delightful myth adding to the region's mystique. Nature truly thrives here, and nowhere is this more evident than on Ironsides Island. Each April, over 1,000 great blue herons return to this uninhabited sanctuary, transforming it into one of northern New York State's largest rookeries. It's a truly spectacular sight, a testament to the region's vital ecological importance and a designated national natural landmark. Even the artificial Longview Island adds to the tapestry, but Calumet Island holds a different kind of history. Once home to a lavish castle, mansion belonging to a tobacco tycoon, its echoes of Gilded Age extravagance still linger. Imagine the parties, the power, the dreams that once filled this unique island sanctuary. And then there's the truly unique, the utterly charming Just Room Enough Island, officially the smallest inhabited island in the world. It's a marvel of minimalist living, proving that sometimes all you need is just enough space to create your own private paradise. It's a whimsical reminder of the endless possibilities in this incredible archipelago. Many of these islands are publicly owned, ensuring their preservation for generations to come. Canada's Thousand Islands National Park, the oldest east of the Rockies, invites you to explore its campgrounds, hiking trails, and rich history, fostering a deep connection with this extraordinary environment. It's a living, breathing testament to conservation. On the American side, 30 New York state parks, many on river islands, offer incredible opportunities for recreation and relaxation. Established as part of the St. Lawrence Reservation, these parks were pioneers in preservation, ensuring that the breathtaking beauty of the Thousand Islands remains accessible for all to discover and cherish. So, whether you seek adventure on the water, history in grand castles, the tranquility of nature, or simply a taste of award-winning wine and culinary legend, the Thousand Islands beckon. It's a destination that captures the heart, ignites the imagination, and leaves an indelible mark on your soul. Come, discover your own island paradise.